Hey, what's up guys? Jose here, shreddeddan.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a DIY reverse hyperextension machine using two spotter arms. Last week I showed you how to do a hyperextension machine using one spotter arm. So today we're going to add the other one, and you're going to need a couple more things. You're going to need a pad, some sort of padding. The thicker the better, and make sure it's flexible, and also a dip belt, okay, just like the one that I have right here hanging from the spotter arm. So the setup's very simple. You see it right now. I have a couple of spotter arms a little bit high so that my legs are hanging off the spotter arms. You're going to have a dip belt with a weight plate on there. Then you're just going to stick that into the spotter arm, and then you're going to have this over here sitting on top because you're going to be jumping on top of this. So you're going to have your hips right on this area here, so that's why you need the padding. Now your arms are going to be over on the other side. They're going to be hanging onto that, and then your legs are going to go right behind the weight plate, and then you're going to kick back to recreate that reverse hyperextension. And that's all there's to it. I wish there was more to it, but I can't make it any more simple, and it's going to help you to recreate that movement of a reverse hyperextension using a weight. If you like the information in this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave me your comments and questions down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the latest uploads. For more home gym equipment reviews, ideas, and discounts, make sure you visit my website, shreddeddan.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.